Adjustment layers are one of the most useful tools in Adobe Premiere Pro because they let you apply effects, color grading, and visual changes across multiple clips at the same time. Instead of adding effects to every single clip individually, you can control everything from one layer. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and create or open the project you want to edit. Now import your video clips and place them onto the timeline in the order you want. To create an adjustment layer, go to the Project panel, click New Item, and choose Adjustment Layer. Premiere Pro will usually match the adjustment layer settings to your sequence automatically. Just confirm the settings and create the layer. Now drag the adjustment layer onto a video track above the clips you want to affect. And honestly, adjustment layers can save a huge amount of editing time, especially in larger projects. They make it much easier to organize effects and maintain a consistent visual style. And that's your full guide on how to use adjustment layers in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to apply effects faster and improve your editing workflow using Premiere Pro.